Awesome. So we are at the Experience Convention and Trade Show in Las Vegas, and this is the second of our really special series introducing I'll Let Them Do It. So with us today, we have Les Cunningham with Business Networks. Les, why don't you just tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Started out of college, went into service, flew in Vietnam, was a military pilot for the Air Force, came out of that situation in '71, got bored after 6 months of being a commercial airline pilot, and started a repair service and grew it to $5 million and started doing the consulting for business networks and put together the idea that we would take contractors in non-competing geographic areas and have them in a network, and we meet every 6 months to go and take their company apart and put it back together better. And it's worked out really well. Been doing it for 53 years.
53 years.
Yeah.
He is an industry veteran. He has such a cool life, as you heard. So, Restoration Networks. Could you tell us a bit about your role in this innovative group?
Sure. I realized that I had three things that my clients desperately needed in business. The first one was they needed somebody who could help them out with their estimating process. And that's how we have RIB, Restoration Insurance Billing, doing that for our clients. The second spot that I really needed some help was in legal opinions and legal help for contracts, taking their contracts and getting ready the proper way.
Right.
And then the third spot that we really needed some help was in somebody to collect money when they were owed because they weren't getting paid. And so we brought that in for Baker Group, and they've done an excellent job for us. We appreciate that.
Wow. So what made you want to be a part of this collaborative work?
It was a business decision, number one, and the guys, I like them, I trust them,
Yeah.
and I can call up and they'll take care of it, and I like that a lot.
So why do you feel something like this is necessary for the industry?
Because my clients need it, and that's always been my goal to get the companies, their companies, ready for sale. They're going to sell their business. The only question is when, to who, and for how much. And so if we know that's going to happen, so our goal is to build them up to where our average clients are getting a 6 EBITDA or better, and that's quite good in the industry. We've had probably 35, 40 companies sold in our time since they started this action going on in the industry.
Okay. So you guys heard it here. R&R is really excited to be partnering with Restoration Networks, and we're going to be doing a quarterly webinar called Restoring Cash Flow, where we hear from the many specialists within this collaboration, such as Les Cunningham. And on the off months, we'll be doing videos such as this to formally introduce each member individually. And as previously mentioned in our first video with our first specialist, this whole webinar is going to cover billing, collection, legal, and consulting. It is quite literally everything that you need to help your business thrive and make your business better.
Right. And we appreciate you doing that for the industry. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.